Opportunities are here. My name is Malaysia Emmanuel, and my background in film is I started filming this when I was senior one, but I had a passion for it even before that. So when I reached in senior one, that's when I got access to a good smartphone, and I started filming around some free. I'd call them music videos with my friends, but they were not good quality at the time because of the phone I was having, and I was just borrowing the phone from time to time, and the owners of the phones couldn't let me edit my videos and really immerse my creativity in whatever I was shooting. So opportunity why opportunities are here, I think and I believe you people can add a stone on my filmmaking career. I want to be a well-known filmmaker and producer. For I also have because of the ideas I have for film and television at large. I think you people are in position to really give me the funding, give me the mentorship, and give me the expertise that I need to reach all those goals. Through opportunities I hear initiative, I believe everything that I dream about in film will really be achieved. And I come from Mbale city. It's now a city. Earlier alone it was a district, so that's where I stay, and I'm a student at university. I'm doing a bachelor's in information technology, and I'm at Islamic University in Uganda, Mbale branch, which is their main campus. I'm in my